Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this Kerala style famous sweet. This is called black halwa or Karuppu Halva. This is so delicious and so soft, and the texture of this is so amazing. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a bowl take 3/4 cup of jaggery. To that add 1.5 cups of thin coconut milk. Mix well till the jaggery dissolves. Now add 1/4 cup of rice flour. Mix well till combined. Make sure there are no lumps. Now transfer this mixture to a pan. Stir and cook on medium flame. The mixture thickens after 10 to 12 minutes. After that add 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Mix and cook again. Everything is well combined now. Add 1/4 cup of chopped cashews, half teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Stir and cook again on low flame. Ghee is well absorbed now. Add 1 more teaspoon of ghee. Mix again and cook. The color has darkened and the ghee has separated from the mixture now. At this stage turn off the heat. Transfer it to a flat base container lined with butter paper and level the top. Rest for an hour. Now loosen the sides first and flip and remove on the plate. See how beautifully our dessert has set. Remove the butter paper and cut it into pieces. So our super soft and tasty black halwa is ready now. The texture of this is so smooth and chewy, and the taste is so delicious. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.